Types of steering linkages. Steering linkages are mainly of the following types. 1. Center arm linkage. 2. Parallelogram linkage. 1. Center arm linkage. In this, a bell crank is fitted between two tie rods. The ends of these two tie rods are connected to the knuckle arms of both the wheels. The center arm of the bell crank is connected to the pitman arm with the help of pull and push rods. This type of linkage is often used in Jeeps. Center arm steering with bell crank intermediate arm and center arm steering with transverse drag link are the main types of this linkage. 2. Parallelogram linkage. This linkage is of many shapes. In this, two parallel arms are connected on both sides to the center link or connecting rod, out of which one parallel arm receives motion directly from the drag link or pitman arm. These two arms are connected by two tie rods with the help of a steering knuckle. Mainly parallelogram linkage is connected in vehicles.